Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here 100 professional real estate flair mega pack in PSD and AI EPS for Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, but these are protected first unit subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime sales. Okay, here 100 folder, here AI EPS and one file for preview. Property expert you can trust. Okay, same thing here, you can customize in Adobe Illustrator or in Adobe Photoshop. Here file PSD, customize ready to home farmhouse. Same thing, Photoshop, beautiful home for sale. You can import your home picture, and I know you know how to customize these files in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Amazing. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.